Hey friends, just wanted to share my process making a doodle using Procreate. First, I just sketch the form of the body using basic shapes. And when I'm sketching, I don't worry too much about making it perfect. I just want to have the figure ready. Here, I made the legs a bit too small, so I had to transform them. Now I'm just finishing up, adding some wavy hair and a couple of details. I usually lower the opacity of the sketch layer so I can trace on top of it. Then my lines are a bit more confident and simple. I always have a hard time drawing hands, so please don't judge. I'm still learning. I try to add a bit of texture by doing a crazy doodle. Then I erase what's not necessary. It's just a cool trick. Then I add an accent color. In the end, I use the eraser to add some character to the sweater. It looks like a comfy sweater. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.